Happy fall, y'all. This is my Glam Pumpkin DIY. If you want to know how to turn this into this, keep watching. I'm starting off with some pumpkins that I picked up a couple years ago from Michael's. They've gone outside and the sun has bleached them, so they're not looking all that good. These are the supplies we're going to need. We have some foam brushes and some paint from Walmart. I paid 50 cents for these bottles. This is obviously not waterproof, guys, so if you are going to use this paint, try to keep it indoors. I have a couple of different glitters. This is the bigger one that's kind of like a mirror, and then these are smaller ones. These are not the round glitters, these are actually long little sticks of glitter, and some Elmer's glue. So just to give you a recap, look at this. I have a pumpkin explosion in my house, but everything is glam, and we're gonna make these pumpkins glam. First step is we're gonna go ahead and give it one light coat of the white paint. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you a couple strokes, but I don't want to be redundant, and I'm sure you guys have better things to do than to be here for 20 minutes looking at me painting. So just to give you an idea, just very light, a very light coat, not very heavy. Make sure you get into all the grooves and do long strokes so that you don't have a lot of patchy strokes. So just very long, nice strokes there, guys. All right, so I'm back. All of the pumpkins have been painted with the first coat, and as you can see, it's very streaky. I kind of like this look because I like my pumpkins to have more than 2 dimensions, and this just gives it a little bit of a rustic glam. I will be doing a second coat though. On one of the pumpkins, I did a gray coat as a second coat, and then I repainted it white over that, and it just has a little bit of a gray showing through. Again, it's very streaky, and that's what I was aiming for. If you guys want something a little bit more solid, then maybe use a spray can, like a Rust-Oleum. If you're going to have it outside, definitely use Rust-Oleum. And then this is just giving you another idea. This is going to be the middle pumpkin. So this middle pumpkin, I want it to be different and have a little bit of a different character. And each of my pumpkins are going to be unique. And that's what I love about DIYs, is that you can definitely customize it to however you want it to look. Here are the pumpkins with the second coat of white paint over. It's super nice, still a little streaky, and that's how I want it. While that's drying, we're going to go ahead and start working on our leaves. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and they have a clip on the back, but I like these leaves because they're super sturdy. They're kind of like metal, and I'm just giving it my own touch. It'll be nice with the same color. I even thought about leaving it this bronzy color, but I went ahead and worked on it anyways. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward what I'm doing, guys, because I want you to see what I'm doing. But I don't want to keep you, here waiting around, for 20 minutes just seeing me do something very simple, guys. And one of the leaves, I'm going to go ahead and add the smaller of the glitter. And this is how it looks. I think it looks so glam. Just to give you guys an idea, this is what I'm aiming for. As you can see, it's just gonna give it a touch of glam onto the pumpkin. I'm so excited, can't wait. I'm showing you how easy it is to take the leaves off of the clips. Basically, you just have to take off the little wire that comes to hold down the leaf, and then you just pop off the leaf from the clip. Set that aside. You're not going to need that. You guys, I want to iterate how important it is to make sure that the glue is everywhere, especially on the edges, because you don't want that brown coming through. At least I don't want that brown coming through. So I'm making sure that I cover everything very good and very thoroughly with glue. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this glitter, which I picked up in Walmart. And just be very generous. I'm just pouring it on there. The plate in the bottom is going to catch any excess, which I can put back into the bottle. But I want to make sure that I'm not missing any little sections. So this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. Again, I'm doing backwards and the forward part, just to make sure that any angle will be beautiful. And this is my extra touch to the pumpkin itself. I'm going for like a Zgallerie look. I definitely love Zgallerie. It's one of my favorite stores, but it's very pricey. So if I can do a DIY imitating them, guess what? I'm going to do this. And since I had all the supplies on hand and just had to buy a couple little extra stuff like the glitter and the glue, I'm basically doing this project for pennies on the dollar, and I can customize it, make it look how I want to look, and each of my pumpkins is going to be completely different. If I don't like the way it's coming out, I just add more glue and glitter. So that's basically it until I like the way that it looks, guys. Even though this is a messy project, I promise it is worth the mess, guys. It's going to look so beautiful at the end. Trust me. This is the 3 pumpkins with the glitter on them. I'm going to go ahead and let them dry overnight. So it's the next day, and basically I just added some hot glue and I glued the leaf to the pumpkin. I don't have a tripod to be able to get up close and show you guys what I'm doing, so I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand. And this is the middle pumpkin. On the middle pumpkin, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 leaves just to make it different. Remember, all of these guys are unique and I want them to look individually unique. So here we go, and this is very basic. Just make sure that you put enough hot glue just in the sections that are going to be making contacts to the pumpkin itself. You don't want it to overspill or be sloppy, so just trying to be careful and adding it to the sections where the leaf is going to rest onto the actual pumpkin, and then just hold it into place. And I'm going to do this until the hot glue gets cold, and that might take a few seconds. And so that's basically it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and work each leaf and give these pumpkins their own unique character. So this is a 3rd pumpkin. I want the leaf to be facing towards the right just because of the placement I'm going to have them. And the middle pumpkin is going to be more on the left side. I noticed a section on the actual pumpkin that I needed to go back and retouch. It's not a big deal. Just add a little glue and some more glitter, and it's as easy as that to fix. I wanted to show you guys how beautiful the streaking on the white section is, and it just makes it a little bit more rustic, and I love that rustic glam look. So I'm definitely enjoying these pumpkins. And that's it, guys. Thank you for staying until the end. And I'm looking forward to doing a couple more videos for the fall. I'm going to bring you guys along with me, and then at the end do a fall tour. But this is video number 1 of many that are soon to be coming. So please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know which one of the pumpkins you guys actually like the best. I would love to hear your opinion. All right, guys. Love you. Take care, and God bless you.